Hello kids! I am about to do my homework and for that I need my pencil case. I have so many things, an eraser, a pen, a pencil, markers, crayons, a ruler. Hey! My ruler! What happened to it? I can't believe it. The numbers on the ruler have disappeared. Only number 1 is there. But it's looking sad. It's great. I think it's sad because the other numbers are missing. But where are they? How can I find them? Oh! What am I doing here? It's so cold. Okay. And look, the numbers 2, 3, and 4 are kind of faded. I know. They must be somewhere here and we need to find them. Where is the number 2? Number 2, where are you? 2. The letters O, W, and T have appeared from the lake. 2 is spelled that way, T-W-O, T-W-O. So maybe number 2 is in there. Let's see. Yes, coming up. Great, we've got it. Now, numbers 1 and 2 are shining in bright colors. But let's find the number 3 and 4. Do you see any other letters? I don't. Yes, I see something on that mountain. Can you see the letters? From the word 3, T-H-R-E-E. T-H-R-E-E. And there it is, the number 3 on the top of the mountain. And among the trees, the letters F-O-U-R. 4 come out. We did it. Look at the ruler. Okay, now we've got those 4 numbers shining with beautiful colors. But what about the rest? Oh. Okay, now it's hot here. All right. We are in the middle of the desert, but the numbers we're looking for are 5, 6, and 7. Where could they be? Do you see any letters? Where can they be? Number 5! It must be hidden in that cave. Look at the letters F-I-V-E. F-I-V-E. Yay! I knew it! Number 5 and 6. Where are you? Oh, look at those eagles. Okay. Hey, that tiny one. Yes, he's carrying some letters. S-I-X. S-I-X. And there it is, the number 6. Thank you, eagle. Look at the ruler. Yoo-hoo! And where is the number 7? Come on, number 7. Where are you? 7. Where are you? Look at these scorpions. I'm scared. Okay, I'm not going to move. I don't like scorpions. Oh! Yeah, okay, look at that one. Yes, it's carrying letters, right? S-E-V-E-N. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Oh, thank you. Okay, goodbye. Thank you. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Look, let's check out the ruler. We've got the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now we're looking for the numbers 8, 9, yes. And where are we? At the amusement park, and we need to find them. Where are the numbers 8 and 9? Where are the numbers 8 and 9? Look at the roller coaster! I love it! The numbers are together, going down. Yes, how cool! Let's check, how are they written? E-I-G-H-T. E-I-G-H-T. That's the number 8, quite tricky. We have to remember. And the number 9, very easy. N-I-N-E. N-I-N-E. Ah, look! Now, as we got all numbers from 1 to 9, the number 10 just came out! Great! T-E-N! T-E-N! Now my ruler has all numbers shining brightly with beautiful colors. Thank you, guys!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kiddos, are you ready to learn English with us? Yes? Let's go! Today we're going to work with numbers, yes, from 1 to 9. So, let's start looking at this one. What number is it? It is number 1, yes? So first of all, we have the number itself here. And how many pairs can you see? I can see 1, right? There is 1 pair. So, as pairs are green, I'm going to use the green marker to, first of all, trace the number 1 that way. And then the letters O, N, E. O-N-E, 1, right? And if you want, and as I love painting, I'm going to paint the inside of the number 1 in a beautiful green color. That's great. Okay, we have 1 pair. Now let's go for this number. How many oranges are there? How many? There is 1. There are 2. 1 and 2. So again now, this time not with green but with orange. We fill in the number 2 that way. And then we trace over T, W, O. T, W, O. Number 2. And again, let's paint the inside of this beautiful number with the orange crayon. Well done! Great! Now let's go for this next number. How many, what are they? They are strawberries, not pears, not oranges, strawberries. And how many strawberries are there? There is 1, there are 2, there are 3. So now, not with green, orange, now with red. Let's fill in the number 3. And now letters T, H, R, E, and E. T-H-R-E-E. And now again, we paint the inside like that. We paint the inside like that. Well done. And we have now the number 3. What is it first? Tell me, what are they? Are they pears? No, they're not. Are they oranges? No, they're not. Are they strawberries? No, they're not. They're bananas. And how many bananas are there? There is 1, there are 2, there are 3, and there are 4. 4 bananas. And bananas, as bananas are yellow, we use the yellow marker to trace over the number 4. And now letters F, O, U, R. F-O-U-R. And this time, with this beautiful yellow, we paint in, and we have it. Well done. Now, one more number. What are they? They are apples. I love apples. And how many apples are there? There is 1, there are 2, there are 3, there are 4, and there are 5. And as apples are green, these ones are green, I'm going to use a darker green for this number. So let's do the number 5 like that. Well done. And tracing over F-I-V-E. F-I-V-E. Correct. And now we paint in this beautiful number 5. We paint in this beautiful number 5. Great. Okay, now the number, what are they? Avocados. And how many avocados are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 avocados. So I'm going to use this half yellow, half orange marker to trace the inside of the number 6, and then to trace over letters S, I, X, S, I, X, S, I, X. And now this beautiful color to paint the inside. Let's paint the number 6. Okay, we have it. What are they? They are not strawberries. No, they're similar, but they're not. They are plums, okay? Plums. And how many plums have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 plums. And I'm going to use this dark red to go straight and down. And now the letters S, E, V. E-N. S-E-V-E-N. And okay, now with this purple, I'll use this pink purple to paint the inside. Both colors match quite nicely. And what does come now? The number 8. What are they? They're grapes. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 grapes. So now with the what color? Let's do again green. Yes. I do green. And we do it this way. Oh, all the way up and down. And now letters E, I, G, H, T. Well done. And we can paint them this way. We can paint them this way. Well done. And finally, yes, the number 9. We've got again strawberries, yes? But not 3 now. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So finally again with the red color, let's do 1, 2, and okay, here. N, I, N, E. N, I, N, E. And we paint the red 9 this way. Well done. And we did it! Great! Good job, guys!